Checking on everything, baby. Just trying to figure out something to do. Here it is, the last day of the month. June the last day. On a Sunday evening, 7:22. I'm trying to think of something that could make my hair turn back to normal. I just wanted to say it's great to be alive today. I took my bike out for a cruise. It was fun in this afternoon. And I had a great time having coffee down at Cocoa Moon. I got together with some younger gals, telling lies and telling tales. It was fun sitting in the sun with the young gals with the tan, thinking how old I really am. Nothing seemed to bother them. They know I'm okay. We're just pals in the day. Yeah, come on now. Then I slid over to Caribou. Had some coffee there too. Ran into a gal with a broken down car. Battery had gone too far. We helped her out and got her somebody to give a little hand. It took time away from me, but it's not about me anyway. I guess it's just a tale to be told. Sitting in the sun in the afternoon, yeah, trying to get a tan to come home. I'm sitting here in the sun. I gotta shut that shade, folks. Hang on just a second. I gotta shut that shade. Yeah, there we go. There, that's a little better now. Sometimes out of key, it doesn't mean a lot to me. Sometimes in the wake of a daydream, I make up a poem. I was doing my laundry over at Snow White Laundry on the west side of town next to McDonald's. Where I go on my Sundays, get my clothes done before Mondays, when the week will start all over again. Walking away with the sun in my eyes. Sometimes I have sunglasses to your surprise. I don't wear these old specs all the time. There's sometimes I don't wear them at all. Yeah, the train is chugging down the track. Never me won't come back. I'll be looking out the window at you. I hear that clickety clock, one of the old railroad tracks, and I see the train passing through. sound at every crossing along the way. You can hear it from miles away. Woo, 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 as it's coming your way. That old train is a traveling on down the track. Well, I wanna cross it with my car. I wanna be there on my bike. Count those 140 old cars go by. That's a clickety-clack on the railroad track. It sounds as it's going back to pick up another load of that coal. We gotta have the electricity, keep our lights on, it may keep us free. Everybody knows it don't last long. And when winter comes, it gets so cold, gotta keep getting more cold. It goes on and on and on until there's no more. But until that time, I won't be wasting no time. I'll sit and listen to the railroad cars go by. Well, I train, you keep singing the same old tune. I hear you blow that whistle in the morning and in the afternoon. Yeah, I hear that train go by. And the clickety-clack of the railroad track. It's nice to see you once again, old friend. I hear the train go whispering by. It ain't shy. It's as loud as you can boss a baby. Woo, 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 I hear you go. Woo, 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 I hear that